Hi everyone. So in the last lecture, 5.1 congressional membership, I actually forgot two things right as I ended the video, and couldn't go back and edit it, to tell you guys, or to talk about who the pictures of these people were on the screens, and they're important for us. So let me just do a real quick little addendum to our lecture to let you guys know who these people are. Now, you guys will need to know who they are for a variety of reasons, but also I like to offer this as a little bit extra credit for the test, so you guys remember who they are. So this man that you see on screen and the number I put with him are very important for us. So this man is Tim Walberg. He's a Republican. He's a Republican representative, and he's your representative for the House of Representatives in the state of Michigan. We are part of the 7th District here at Columbia Central High School, or our district is within the 7th District, and he is our representative. Now, if we're to switch to jump a few slides here to our senators, these are our two senators, and they represent the state of Michigan, and at the national level for us. Gary Peters is obviously the male here, and Debbie Stabenow is our other senator. They both have been senators for us for quite some time. Debbie Stabenow much longer than Gary Peters, and they're both Democrats. But these two are your Senate representation. So, just to recap, you have Gary Peters here and Debbie Stabenow, and then you have Tim Walberg for the 7th District in the state of Michigan. All right, guys, sorry I forgot that, and as always, have a great day.